Okay, so how are we gonna go about this? Well, it says natural log of 6x plus 5 equals 3. Let me bring it down here. So natural log of 6x plus 5 equals 3. How do we solve this? Well, so if you go to the notes, which let me grab them real quick right here. Here's the exam 4 notes. Solving an exponential, whoops, we go solving logs and solving natural. There we go. There's what we're looking for. Solving natural log. That's what we're doing on this one. Let me bring that back. Right, we have a natural log. Yeah. Perfect. Solving the natural log. Pop it in there. There it is. Okay. So how do we do it? How do we solve a natural log? You get the natural log alone. This one already is alone. Insert the invisible e, and then do the swish thing. And then solve for x. Okay. So let's do it. So step 1, natural log is already alone. Step 2, insert the invisible e, which is right there, right? Because remember, every log really has a base. And even if it's not showing the base, it's really there invisibly. And so for natural log, ln, it's an e. I think you remember that. And then step 3, do the, what I call the swish. I don't know what else to call it. It's like the Nike swish. Goes, you grab the base and go there and there. And that gets rid of the log word, swish, and you lose the ln, right? So it becomes e to the 3 equals 6x plus 5. And there's no more natural log. That's how we change from natural log to exponential. Remember, that's the swish, the little swish thing here is the way to change between logarithmic form and exponential form. So when you do it, you lose the log word. You're no longer in log language. You've changed out of log language. So you do the swish thing. So we get to this. And now step 4 just says solve, solve for x. Just get x alone. So how do I get x alone? Well, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. We get e to the 3rd minus 5 is 6x. And last step, divide by 6. Boom, there we go. So there's the answer. Now they asked, up here they asked for the exact solution using exponents. So that will be the e to the 3rd minus 5 all over 6, right? That's the exact answer using exponents. And then they want the solution rounded to 4 decimal places. So now I've got to also do it on my calculator. So remember, when you do it on your calculator, you've got to put parentheses around the numerator. Why? And not the bottom. Why? Because there's more than one item in the numerator. So if you have more than one item, top or bottom, then you have to put parentheses around that top or bottom so that your calculator knows that whole part is the top or the bottom. So put that, so do that on your calculator. I'm going to do it too. E to the 3rd power. So e to the 3rd power minus 5 divided by 6. So I'm getting the answer 2.51425. So round it to 4 places, cut it here. That 5 tells you to round up. 2.5143, 2.5143. So that's a rounded, not exact answer. So they wanted both the exact answer where nothing has been rounded, and then they want the rounded decimal answer on your calculator, rounded to 4 decimal places. So basically the moral of the story, just kind of recapping, logs and exponentials are opposites of each other, right? That's why logarithms were even created, even made up. Why did mathematicians and science people make up logs? To be the opposite of exponentials. So they're opposites. So when we have this log, no surprise, it turns into an exponential. When you do the swish thing, you lose the log like that. Just put in the e and do the swish, and then solve for x. And so there we go.